Yes, Bunka Bunka Bunka. I hear a meowing kitty. I see a meowing kitty. I see a meowing kitty. Look at a meowing kitty. Yeah. Oh, there's another meowing kitty. Got them both on my foot. Silly boys. Silly boys. Where'd the munchkin go? Oh, he must have went under the bed. The munchkin must have went under the bed. Silly butts. Oh, there him is. Yeah. There him is. Got that ear. Got that ear. Huh. Good guy. Got that good guy. Munchkin pie. Turn to my little munchkin pie. I love my little boy. Munchkin pie. I love that little pie. I love that little stiletto pie. Love that stiletto kitty. Love that stiletto kitty. Aw, yeah, get this silly boy. What? Hey, what, baby? Hey, what, baby? Look at head rubbing everywhere. Head rub kitty, head rub kitty, head rub kitty. Look at my kitty. He's a silly boy. Ooh. I don't want to see a bite, silly boy. Bite. Oh, you gotta lay down there. You're a big gooey guy. And then my little munchkin pie. What? Oh, you hear them guys out there?
We're legion. We're many. Get out here. Son of the big
Goofy guy. Where you going? Oh, going out. There he goes. There he is. He was hiding under the bed. It came from out from under the bed. Silly boy. Ooh. There's our big purr baby. There's our grumpy bud. Oh, you're gonna go out too? Nope. You came back in, you silly boys. Big purr machine. Make going purr machine. Huh? Purr machine. Big purr machine. Big purr machine. Make going big purr machine. What? So we brought Einstein making coffee while feeding the boys. I thought, Dumpy, is it time to eat, big kitty? Yeah. I'm looking up at their mama like, Mom, I forgot something. Look at Johnny Muskie too. Yeah. Did I forget something, Grumpy? Did I forget the main ingredient that my kitty cat's gotta eat? Yeah. Okay, just a second. Just a second, big guy. Are you gonna beg? No. Oh, I want to see the bag, you silly boy. Oh, okay, we got him. Yeah. We got him. Oh, they disappeared. I thought they'd be laying by the door wanting to go out.
No, that's what made camp fun for me.
Yeah. Oh, kitty cat's disappeared. There's the Trumpy. He came from, I don't know where he came from. I thought I heard the munchkin jump.
In fact, Nicole and I used to discuss the Bible, and she talked about how certain things about Jesus made her cry. She wondered if God was ever sad and all that. We were having some real good discussions about it.
Yeah.
Anyway, so I like
There's the munchkins.
that you just feel it in a way. That's
Here's my munchkie pot. Yeah, you're all right, baby. What? What? Okay. What's out there? Well, you're not going to go out? Munchkin pot. Where you going, Sally? You going to go hide under the bed? Instead of going out in the nice weather? Well, you silly cat. He's gonna go hide under the bed, Trumpy. You still got an hour and a half, young man. Yeah, it's not snacky time yet, my little love, my boy.
really cool bag.
Come walking and meowing at mama.
That sounds like that cool bag.
Yeah, I know, you want snacky poos, my little love, my boo. Not time yet, little guy. Still got an hour and a half still, little butt. Silly boy. Yeah, still got an hour and a half, big guy. You do. Goofy guy. Goofy kitty. Oh. Hey, oh, hello, Trumpy. It's not time to eat yet, guys. You still got an hour and a half. Yeah, not time yet, Trumper. What? What, big kitty? It's not time to eat yet. It's not 4:30. It's only 3. Hungry butts. You shouldn't be hungry. You got to eat enough. Mm-hmm. Big gooey guy. Silly boys. Silly boys. Look at these guys. Look at these guys. You think they hadn't eaten. You gotta wait an hour and a half, big boys. It's not 4:30. Not yet.
Oh, Beverly.
Silly butt. These boys act like they haven't eaten in days. You got not snacky time yet, you big goo bag, you. Ooh. You still got an hour. You too, Trumper Bumper Butt. Oh, Trumper ran away. Trumper ran away, Muskie. Yeah, we got an hour still, baby. Not time yet. Not time yet. Silly butt.
As a bully who routinely harassed the homeless community, no one expected his behavior to escalate to cold-blooded murder.
Bunkin, bunkin. Watch out, baby. I don't want to get you. Oh, okay. Bunkin, bunkin, little pumpkin. Meowing at mama.
Give me some ice.
Trilling at mama. Loving at mama. Oh, you found another snack down there instead of snackies?
Mm-hmm. Probably did. Probably did.
Right there, monkey pumpkin. What'd you find, Munchkin butt? Hey, silly butt. Hey, gooey kitty. What, baby? What pretty kitty? What a pretty kitty. Ooh.
Get that kitty and get it good. Get that kitty and get it good.
Where you going, silly butt? Where you going? It's almost snacky time. Gooey guy. He says, I heard snacky, I'm going in. Silly. Oh, there's the Trumpy too. Got Trumpy too. I see Trumpy. What's up, Trumper Pot? Gooey guy.
I'm not really going in yet.
What, silly bot?
Hmm? Now, even though the
Me.
Oats plant is near downtown Cedar Rapids,
What,
certain
Goofy
stretches
kitty?
along the shore of the Cedar River are actually heavily wooded.
Silly
In
boy.
fact, on the east side of the river, near
What?
the plant, sits
Well, what?
Mohawk City Park, a popular
What up, big
recreation
guy?
destination for people in the greater city.
What up, big kitty?
Excuse me, Cedar
Oh, there's a munchkie here. I didn't see the munchkie. You're yelling at the Munchkie. And nothing to do with me. You're yelling at the Munchkins. Okay. I see. You're yelling at the Munchkin Bunchkins. I thought you were yelling at me. I'm yelling at you, Munchkie Bot. He's yelling at you, Munchkin Bot. Yeah, you're yelling at Munchkie. I thought you were yelling at me. Watch my Trumpy. Watch Trumpy. Yeah, he's meowing at ya. He wants to get the kitty. That darn Trumpy. Oh, his own voice instead. Silly bot, got my little silly bot.
But as the hours dragged on, he eventually had to use it if he stood any chance of seeing anything in the shadows that were deepening along.
He's over there now, Trumpy.
While everyone had hoped for an early night, it soon started to become apparent that that wouldn't be the case. The sun continued falling behind the trees until everything was covered in a cloak of darkness. Finally, it starts getting really late. Dave isn't sure of the exact time, but he knows it is sometime between 11:30 and midnight. And
Munchkie's going up on his perch.
concentrating his flashlight beam
Trying to see what's going on out there.
Grown up between the bike path and the spillway, but he's not finding anything at all. Not even any
Trumpy taking the lady of mine.
just nothing.
Silly
So
boys.
David adjusts course. He keeps heading to where the trail cuts to the sea.
What meow, Bot? Mad. What are you mad about? What you meowing about? Oh, I thought I heard a Trumpy too. What meow, Bot? Oh, you're gonna go in now that I'm coming following you? Oh, there's a Trumper Bot. There's a Trumper Bot. My darn monkey pumpkin. Oh, I'm gonna run away. I can't get my big kitty. What a big guy. Where's my big boy's purr? Oh, him purr. This is not real loud. Purring babies. Purring kitty. Purring kitties. Ooh, that's a big purring kitty. Big boy. Brrr. 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 My baby. Brrr. Big boy. Okay, Mom's going back out. Silly Bot. Silly little Munchkin Bunchkin. They're a Munchkin Bunchkin. There's some ears. It's like a chew. Silly boy. You come sing and share with Mama? Goofy guy. Oh, nobody's going out. There's a Munchkie. Munchkin Bot. There's a Munchkin Bot. There's my Munchkin Bot. What? Watch out for Trumpy. Get that Trumpy. Oh, Trumpy tried to get you. Silly boys. Okay, starving boys. It's din time. Midnight snack time. Midnight din time, right? Yeah. You might could jump up there. Where's the Trumper Bear? Oh, there's the Trumper Bear. Okay. We're all ready. Look at our Trumpy. Well, Trumpy. Oh, you were begging. Now you stopped, you silly bot. Well, come in. You're not going to beg now because I'm filming you? What? I'm trying to get it. Here it comes. Oh, I was wondering if you get begging on tape. Come on. There you go. Silly boy. He's doing his 2 paws begging. Oops, did I put it in the wrong place? There you go, baby. There you go. Shut